Hi everyone! Are you a beginner to the ScanNCut SDX or DX versions of Machine, and do you use Skillshare? If so, I have just the thing for you. So if you don't know what Skillshare is, basically it's an online learning community where you can literally learn anything from animation, creative writing, art, photography. There's all sorts on there. Anyway, I am launching a beginner's course to the ScanNCut SDX and DX model of machines. However, if you have a CM model of ScanNCut machine, you will probably still be able to follow along. Certainly these two first videos. It may just be that some of the functions are in a slightly different place on your machine than I show on the SDX model. Now, obviously I've done something like this in the past on YouTube, but the beauty of Skillshare is that each module of this project is broken down. So on YouTube, it's a one video and you have to follow along and stop and then maybe rewatch it and try and find out where you were and catch up. On Skillshare, the videos are broken down into modules. So the first module, for instance, will be the introduction. The second module will be how to choose your shapes and make the base card. Then the next module will be, recalling up that or saving that card. And it goes on. So you will literally be able to follow. It's bite-sized chunks. I currently only have 2 video courses on Skillshare. The first one, video 1, walks you through making this card from start to finish directly on the machine. No software of any kind used at all. I show you how to create your shape, how to resize it, how to duplicate it, how to turn your shape into a card by welding shapes together. I also show you how to find, a flower design, how to duplicate it, how to resize it, and how to actually assemble the whole project. Now, if you don't have this particular flower or leaf design in your model of machine, just use an alternative that you do have. But I'm more than confident in that you should have these certainly in the SDX model and hopefully in the DX models. And I even think these are available in the ACM model machine. In addition, I'm also providing you free the ScanNCut drawing file to create this happy birthday greeting. And that's a free resource available with this particular video course. So you can follow along with me and make this card from start to finish. You'll be able to follow along, stop that module, practice it. When you're happy with it, move on to the next module. In video 2, I'm going to show you how to use text and text fill to create this kind of design that looks like a hand stamped image. So in the first part of the video, which is this one here, I show you how to use a font that is installed on your computer by using Canvas Workspace for computer. I show you how to assign the fill, how to save it, how to transfer it to your machine. Once it's on your machine, how to retrieve it, and then how to draw it. In the second part of the course, I show you how to recreate the exact same thing using a font that is directly on your machine. These fonts look very similar, but they are different. This is a font that's in my Mac computer. This is a font that came from my machine. And I again walk you through step by step. So each one of these parts is broken down into elements. So that's the beauty of Skillshare. So if you use Skillshare, please go along and look for Apple Lover 53, or in the search box type ScanNCut and you will find my videos Apple Lover 53. I would love your support. If you do watch the videos, please leave me any comments or suggestions, and if you like the videos, please share them. Obviously, if you're watching this introduction on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will still be continuing to make videos for YouTube. Please make sure you've got the bell notification icon switched on. That way you'll not miss when I upload anything or when I go live. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.